How to make a poster in Canva. Need a poster for school, business, or events? Here's the easy step-by-step guide using Canva. So log into Canva and then go ahead and head over into the templates tab. And in here, under the templates tab, you should find the explore templates section where you can find posters. So click on this. And then in here, you'd find the selection of poster templates you can choose from. So go ahead and select the poster template that you'd like to use. And then go ahead and click on this customize this template. So before clicking that, make sure you set the orientation into its correct orientation. Click on this customize this template and this would take you into a new tab. So in here, you can go ahead and personalize the sections of this template. You can replace placeholder tags with your title, details, and tagline, adjust fonts and colors to fit your brand or event, upload your own photos, or use Canva's free stock images and icons. Place visuals strategically to grab attention. Use Canva's elements like shapes, lines, and frames to organize content and highlight key information. Review your poster for readability. Ensure text is clear, aligned, and balanced with visuals. Download your poster as a PDF for printing or PNG for digital sharing. Canva makes it easy to share online or offline. Canva makes poster design simple. Choose a template, customize, add visuals, and export. Perfect for events, promotions, or school projects. And that's the easy guide to making a poster in Canva.